Good afternoon, my dear students. I am fine and I hope that all of you will be fine. In our previous class, we discussed test of divisibility by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 also. Today, we will discuss test of divisibility by 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. So let's start with test of divisibility by 7. A number is said to be divisible by 7 if the number formed by the difference of the number and the last place or the unit place digit multiplied and the remaining number left. Means a number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or a multiple of 7. Then the number is said to be divisible by 7. For example, if we have number 889 and we want to check the test of divisibility of this number by 7 without actual division. So our method is that we will take the last digit, that is ones place digit of the number, and remaining digits altogether. We will find the difference of remaining digits number minus twice the ones digit number. Our one digit number 9, we write twice, and whatever remaining digits we have, the number formed by them we write here and subtract twice of the ones place number from the remaining number. If this will be either 0 or multiple of 7, then number will be said to be divisible by 7. So calculating 88 minus 18, 0, 7. 70 is a multiple of 7. Therefore, this number is divisible by 7. Why? Because 70 is a multiple of 7. Take another example. If we have number 392. We have to check this number is divisible by 7 or no. So as I told, we will take the last digit, that is ones place digit. We will multiply last digit by 2 and the number formed by remaining digits, and we will find the difference. So number formed by remaining digits we have 39 and 2 times 2. So 39 minus 4, that is 35, and 35 is a multiple of 7, so 392 is divisible by 7. Similarly, you can check for the other numbers given to you. Now, we will study test of divisibility by 8. A number is said to be divisible by 8 if the last 3 numbers will be divisible by 8. A number is said to be divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits of the number will be divisible by 8. Take an example of number 1, lakh 24. This is the number. We have to check this number is divisible by 8 or not without actual division. So the rule is that we will check the last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or not. So we have last digit 0 to 4. So number forms showing 24 and we will divide 24 by 8. 8 is 24 means this last digit is divisible by 3. Therefore this number is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 8. Since this number is divisible by 8. So I hope you understood test of divisibility by 8. Another example I am taking 2, 4, 5, 0, 8. If we are checking this number whether divisible by 8 or not, so we will take last 3 digits of the number and we will divide this by 8. So 508 we divide by 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 3 are 24. Here remainder is coming, means this 3 digit of the number is not divisible by 8. Therefore this number 24,508 is not divisible by 8. And if the last digit number will be divisible by 8, then we can say that the number is divisible by 8. Now we will read test of divisibility by 9. A number is said to be divisible by 9 if and only the sum of its digit is multiple of 9. As in case of test of divisibility by 3, read, a number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is multiple of 3. Here, if sum of the digits of a number is multiple of 9, then we can say that the number is divisible by 9. For example, 6, 9, 9, 6. This number is divisible by 9 or not. So you check the sum of the digits. We write sum of digits is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6. So 9 and 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24 plus 6, 30. 30 is not a multiple of 30 is not a multiple of 9. Therefore, this number is not divisible. Not divisible by 9. Since 30 is not the sum of the digits coming 30 and is not a multiple of 9, so it is not divisible by 9. Next number I am taking 6, 6, 6, 9. Again we will find the sum of digits. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9. 6 and 6, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 9, 27. And 27 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, this number is divisible by 9. So this is the test of divisibility by 9. I hope you understood. Now we will read test of divisibility by 11. Test of divisibility by 10. Once more I am telling, if the ones place of a digit is 0, then the number is said to be divisible by 10. What we will take in the number the ones place digit. If ones place digit will be 0, then number will be divided by 3. Now test of divide by 11. If we have given a number and it is asking that the number is divisible by 11 or not. So first of all we will write the digits of odd places and even places. We will write the sum of the digits at odd places and even places, and then we will find the difference of them. If the difference is either 0 or 11 or multiple of 11, then we come to say that the number will be divisible by 11. Once more I am telling. If we have given a number, we find the difference between some of the digits at odd places and some of the digits at even places. If the difference will be 0 or multiple of 11, then we say that the number will be divisible by 11. Example we have 6446. Whether this number is divisible by 11 or not, we have to check it. Now, it is at odd place, it is at even place, it is at odd place, it is at even place. So the sum of digits of odd places, 6 plus 4, minus sum of digits of even places, 4 plus 6. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Since it is 0, then this number is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Similarly, you can check for the other numbers by writing odd and even places digits and finding the difference of the sum of odd place digits and even place digits. If the difference will be 0 or multiple of 11, we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Now we will read test of divisibility by 12. A number is said to be divisible by 12 if the number will be divisible by 3 and by 4. Means if a number is given to us and it is asking that whether the given number is divisible by 12 or not, first of all we check the number is divisible by 3 or 4. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4 by both, then and only then we can say that the number will be divisible by 12. For example, if we have 3852, then we check this number is divisible by 3 or not. We will add 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2. 3 plus 8, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 2, 18. 18 is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3. Now we have to check this number divisible by 4 or not. So we will take last digit number 52 divided by 4. We know 52 divided by 4 we will get 13. So 52 is divisible by 4. That is 52 is divisible by 4. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3 and 4. And that is why 3852 is divisible by 12. So these are the test of division by the given numbers. Up to here it is given in your book. So I hope that all of you understood how can we check the test of division by a number. Now you will solve exercise questions of exercise 8.4. All questions, your homework will be all questions of exercise 8.4. So thank you, bye.